Understanding, bar none, mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bar none. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really add a natural flair to your language skills. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of bar none together. Bar none is an idiom that means without exception or unquestionably the best. It's used to emphasize that there's no exception to the statement being made. Think of the word bar as blocking or excluding something. So, when you say bar none, you're indicating that nothing is excluded from your statement. The phrase has its roots in legal language, where bar refers to a barrier or obstruction. Over time, this legal term evolved into a common expression. Understanding the origin helps in comprehending why bar, in this context, means excluding or leaving no exceptions. To grasp this idiom better, let's look at some examples. 1. She is the best teacher in the school, bar none. Here, it means she is the best without any exceptions. 2. This is the finest coffee I've had, bar none. This implies that this coffee is the best, and no other coffee compares. Understanding context is key to using bar none correctly. It's often used for emphasis in a positive sense but can be used in various scenarios. When learning bar none, avoid these common mistakes. Don't use it in a negative context. It's generally used to emphasize the best or most extreme of something. Remember, it's an absolute statement. Using it with words like almost or nearly contradicts its meaning. Let's have a quick exercise. Try to make your own sentences using bar none. You can write them in the comments below or just practice speaking them. This will help solidify your understanding of the phrase. That's a wrap on bar none. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting English idiom, helping you to use it confidently in your conversations. Remember, mastering idioms can really elevate your English fluency, so keep practicing. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more language learning content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.